Hello, my name is Odonga, Otto. I'm a political philosopher. Everyone, everywhere, Anita, 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 Anita. Do we really know what's going on? There are several corruption scandals in Uganda that no one is talking about. Even the thieves are hiding deeper and deeper and deeper. And everyone is saying, Anita, Anita, Anita. Let me give you 10. 1. Are you aware that there are 10,000 fake umeme meters in Uganda? And Parliament kept quiet over it even when they discovered and they supplied the meters to Uganda and they are overbilling people basing on those meters. These are the people to get sanctions. Are you aware that Uganda got the biggest loan called Bagwere to supply electricity poles, cement electricity poles to all the sub-county headquarters in Uganda? Now the question is, some of the poles being supplied to the sub-counties of Uganda are wooden. And secondly, the cost. Guess what? Many of you think those cement poles cost 1 million shillings. They are billing Ugandan 7 million shillings per pole. Who is talking about that? These are the people to be sanctioned. Are you aware that the UNRWA, these road signs for marking kilometers at the roadside, those white ones, each is 700,000 shillings? Each. What is the cost of Uganda police uniforms? The police uniforms and Uganda People's Defense Forces uniforms. I sat in the Committee of Parliament and asked them the cost of the uniform. No one wants to tell you, but you would be surprised to find that each uniform costs at least 800,000 shillings. That is the uniform, the madoa, the shoes, the caps. These are the people to be sanctioned. Are you aware that President Idi Amin left 17 properties in London? 17. As of now, there are only 2 remaining. The residence of the ambassador and that building at Trafalgar Square. Some of us were there. All the others were sold. These are the people to be sanctioned. I went to the Ugandan embassy in Belgium, in Brussels. Our property is dilapidated. Some were sold. These are the people to be sanctioned. Are you aware that government of Uganda is paying taxes, is paying rent in its own building? Uganda Property Holdings Limited is collecting rent in a government-owned building. Government is paying rent in its own building. These are the people to be sanctioned. Are we aware that Uganda Property Holdings Limited, a company that collects rent for government properties, is not accountable to Parliament? Even the parliamentary committee tried to find out who the shareholders of Uganda Property Holdings Limited are. They failed. And this is the company managing Ugandan property in Nairobi, the Transocean property in Nigeria. All the properties all over Uganda is being managed by Uganda Property Holdings Limited. Parliament failed to audit them. And the committee of Parliament chaired by Honorable Regan Okumu reported that they failed to get the details of that company. These are the people to be sanctioned. Are you aware that Northern Bypass in Kampala, the cost was inflated by 200%? They were wasting time for selecting the bidding. The moment the bidding was done, they started inflating the cost of the road by 200%. And I was the chairperson of the committee, and we discovered the roads were inflated by 200%. These are the people to be sanctioned. Are we aware that Entebbe Express Highway is the most expensive road in the world? These are the people to be sanctioned. Are you aware that at Owen Falls Dam, I chaired the Committee of Parliament and went down into the dam. The new dam that has been built has been tied to a dam that is 100 years old. It's like a 90-year-old man booking a 10-year-old girl that when she turns 18, she would marry. So when the old Owen Falls Dam gives way, even the new one, the water levels will go down until we washed away. Are you aware there was a huge bribery to ensure that the dams are built concurrently and not built 7 kilometers away? These are the people to be sanctioned.